Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will take this as a base. The dimension is 300 height, width is 40 and length is 105 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select the plane. Select this plane. Select line and create sketch, rough sketch. Now give the dimension. This length is 300 mm. This is 40. This is 20. This is also 20. Here to here give 150 mm and this give the constraint. So that's it, sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, select the mid plane 105 mm. Next do this sketch, this and this. Select the plane, sketch, create circle, give the dimensions 60, 30. This dimension is 300 mm. Select line, create sketch like this. Give the dimensions. This is 13 mm. From here to here height is 75. This height is 55. This distance is same 13 mm. Trim this circle here. Here join the line like this. Finish sketch, extrude, okay. Again select the same plane, sketch. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Create sketch like this. Give the dimensions 120. Select project geometry, select this and this and this. Finish sketch, extrude, thickness is 25 mm. Select the fillet, 75 mm, select this and this edge. Okay. Next select the same plane, sketch, select here 3-point arc, give the dimensions 75, select tangent, finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 25 mm. Okay. Next there is a 4 holes, diameter 15, pitch is 70, from the bottom height is 40 mm. Select this surface, sketch. We can do these holes in mirror also. Just I will create one hole. From the bottom height is 40. This distance is 35. So just create 2 lines friends here. One more center. Convert these lines as for construction. Select this circle, mirror, mirror about. Select these 2 circles, mirror about this line, apply. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Through all. Okay. Next select fillet. Five mm. So that's it friends, all the sketch completed. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. Assign the material. I will assign cast iron, iron cast. Here change it into, so you can change like this color. And also as per your requirement, you can assign material and polishes here in the Inventor library. Like this, finishes will change. See, you can see So these are all some different materials. Like this it will change. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy the session, and also once again requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.